the next diagonal scale. The distance between Agra and Amritsar railway stations is 600 kilometers. It is represented on the map by a line of 15 centimeter long. Construct a diagonal scale to measure up to single kilometer. Calculate the RF, length of scale, and indicate on the scale a distance of 537 kilometers. So here you can say how it is a diagonal scale. It is represent only single kilometers. So first of all, you can calculate its RF. What is RF? Again, RF. Length of line on map. How much the length of the line? It is 15 centimeter long. 15 centimeter. Okay. How much distance it represents? 600 kilometers. So this is your RF, because the distance between Agra and Amritsar railway station is 600 kilometers. So again you convert into same unit, 15 centimeter. Then 600 kilometer means multiplied it by 1 lakh or 10 raised to the power 5. So this becomes centimeters. So this comes to be 1/440 into 10 raised 5. This is the ratio. This is the RF. Means 1 centimeter is equal to 40 kilometers. Then length of scale. So this is very interesting over here, because the maximum distance to be measured by the scale is not given. Here you have to show on the diagonal scale, measure up to single kilometers. Here this is very interesting. This we have to indicate a distance of 537 kilometers. Here how it becomes diagonal scale. 537 kilometer means it contains 5 hundreds, 3 tens and 7 ones, like this. Okay, so it is diagonal scale to represent 3 units, 500, 3 tens and 7 ones. So maximum distance to be measured by is not given. When you are going to represent a distance of 537 kilometers, it means if this line is 600 kilometers, that then you can represent over here 537 kilometers. So you can take the maximum distance to be measured by the scale as more than whatever you are going to show on the scale. So here I will take the maximum distance to be measured by the scale is 600 kilometers. So now RF 140 kilometers. So now you can take the 600 kilometers, or you convert it into 10 raised to 5 centimeter. So this becomes, because now these are two same units, need not to worry. The maximum distance shown on the scale is 600 kilometer. Similarly, you have taken the maximum distance to be measured by the scale as 600 kilometer. So this comes to be 15 centimeter again. So length of scale is 15 centimeter. So here you need not to worry, because these are the same. Okay, maximum distance shown on the map is same, and the maximum distance measured by the scale is the same. So length of the scale is 15 centimeter. Now I turn over to the drawing sheet, how it should be played. So I have taken a line whose length is equal to 15 centimeters. Now major important thing is, now you have to divide into equal parts, because this scale had to show this is my first division. How much distance is this will be taken? Because you have to take 100 one side, tens and ones. These are the 3 units. So for this, you have to take this length is equal to how much? Because 1 centimeter is representing 40 kilometers. So make it 100 kilometer, multiplied it by 2.5. This becomes 100 kilometers. So you divide it into equal parts of 2.5 centimeters. Okay. Then the height of this will be taken again 2.5 centimeters and draw this. This is line parallel to this. This will be at a height of equal to the main divisions. Here should be a square because when we are going to draw the diagonal lines, okay, then again you should write at the end of first main division, you write on the 0. Okay, then how much this distance? This is 100 kilometer, this is 200 kilometers, 300 kilometers, and 400 kilometers, and 500 kilometers. Now I have to divide this division into 10 equal parts so that it can represent tens, and again to this into 10 parts so it will represent the ones. So you draw an acute angle over here and draw this line, and I divided this line into 10 equal parts. Okay, you take this at 5 millimeter or 1 centimeter. It depends upon the space available. So I have drawn this acute angle and it is divided into 10 equal parts. Similarly, I have drawn acute angle over here and it is divided into 10 equal parts. Okay, you can write like this. So the main function of this division is to divide this horizontal line into 10 equal parts. Similarly, the main function of this acute angle and division is to divide this line into 10 equal parts. How? You can now join this 0 to 0. So draw this line joining this 0 point to 0 point. Then you fix the mini drafter and draw all the lines passing through you have did the division over here. So the line should be passed through these lines. I mean to divide this horizontal line into 10 equal parts. Like this. You can see first main division is divided into 10 equal parts. Now I complete the division of the main division to 10 equal parts over here. So similarly you can divide this. Now join this 0 to 10 line and draw the parallel lines passing through these points. This will divide the vertical line into 10 equal parts. This is the line joining 0 and 10. Now you can draw the lines parallel to this line passing through these divisions. So here completes the division of the vertical line into 10 equal parts. So I divided this line into 10 equal parts and this line. Now you start. This is your 9th division. You set the line point 9 meets to the point 10 point over here, last point. So this is the line. Then you can draw the parallel lines through these divisions. So these are the diagonal lines parallel to each other. In the previous, I have transferred the bottom lines on the topmost line, but here I am telling the most easy way. You join the point 9 to 10, that is the line to whom we have drawn the parallel lines passing through the horizontal divisions you did with the help of acute angle. So these are the diagonal lines. Now this 0 is passing to number 1. So here then now you can draw the lines parallel to this horizontal line, passing through the vertical line divisions. Either you start from the bottom or top. So for most easy, I will pass these lines from these points. These are the horizontal lines drawn parallel to the baseline. What passing through the points we have already divided into 10 equal parts. So which division you have marked on the vertical line, passing to those points, draw the lines parallel to the baseline. So here you can see the checks like a rhombus. So 0 to right hand side 10 kilometers, 0 to right 100 kilometers, 0 to left, these are the 10 kilometers and these are single kilometers. So similar you can resemble it this is your cross, okay, towards right hand side 100 kilometers, towards left hand side 10 kilometers, toward the top side these are the single kilometers. So here we have written the 0 to right hand side 100 kilometers, 0 to left hand side 10 kilometers, and these are the single kilometers. So now we have to indicate a distance of 500 kilometer, 537. You take the 500 from here, 3 from here, 3 tens, and 1s from here, 7. So this is the line that indicates the diagonal line, 3 tens and 1s from here. So this is the crossover. This represents from here to it is 37 kilometers, here to 500 kilometers. So you draw a line vertically from this cross. This is the vertical line. So this is the distance which will indicate the length of 537 kilometers. 537 kilometers. It contains 5 hundreds, 3 tens, and 7 ones. Thank you.